If you've used QGIS before, you've most likely heard of Quick Map Services. This is the most popular plugin of all time if you're measuring by number of downloads, which currently sits at about 5.5 million. If you're new to the program, however, what this tool allows you to do is very easily and very quickly add base maps to your project. You'll notice that when you first launch QGIS, there's no pre-existing base map. So in theory, you could manually go and try to connect base maps from the various providers, or you can simply install this plugin and move on with your life. I'm going to show you how to do the latter. Go up to plugins, manage and install plugins. And I'm going to do a keyword search for Quick Map Services, grab it and install the plugin. Once installed, you're going to see new buttons up here in your toolbar. You have Quick Map Services and you also have Search QMS. And if you go to the web drop-down menu, you'll also see it right here. And you'll already notice some information right here, including OpenStreetMap. So if I just click this, voila, I now have a base map. You can see the new layer over here, OpenStreetMap standard. But wait, there's more. Go back up to Web, Quick Map Services, and go down to Settings. Come over here to More Services and click on Get Contributed Pack. Telling me it was downloaded. Now if I go back to Web, Quick Map Services, check out all of these options I have. So I can go grab Google. Let's go grab Google Satellite. Now you'll see Google Satellite was added. If I drag this layer above OpenStreetMap, there we go. Now we have this one. So it's probably pretty clear now why this is one of the most popular plugins. All right, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about QGIS, be sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications because we have this QGIS Corner series where we're going to be producing a lot more QGIS content, so be sure to check back. We also have our own QGIS plugin, which is called Add to Felt. If you want to learn more about that, follow the link in the video description. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.